morning from the Ruby Room at Cornell Public Library. I'm Miss Jennifer, and for today's baby story time, we're going to be reading Splash by Flora McDonnell. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with our opening song. 1, 2, 3. Say hello to baby's nose, hello nose, hello nose. Say hello to baby's nose, hello nose. Say hello to baby's tummy, hello tummy, hello tummy. Say hello to baby's tummy, hello tummy. Say hello to baby's toes, hello toes, hello toes. Say hello to baby's toes, hello toes. Yay! Alright, our baby sign of this week is the word for kiss. So kiss, you're going to take your fingers, kind of put them together to a point, and you're going to go from here at the edge of your mouth to on your cheek. So kiss. That again is kiss. Think of it as if this is like giving a kiss on the cheek. So kiss. All right, and our early literacy tip of the week is that reading can be difficult, but one of the best ways to learn how to read is to learn rhythms. So when singing songs and reading, you can always clap it out and match your body with the rhythm of the story or the song. And by adding that extra layer, you can help baby learn rhythms, which is helpful when learning to read because you can sing and stress out those syllables. So that is the early literacy tip of the week. This month we have all new songs and rhymes, of course, because it's the beginning of the month. So this month's nursery rhyme is I'm a Little Teapot. For this one, you can either demonstrate the hand gestures, or if baby's too little, you can just do a bounce, or you can use help them do the gestures. Whatever works for you. I'm going to do the gestures. But again, whatever works for you, it doesn't have to be the, handle thing. You can just do a bounce. But it's always important early on to get exposure to this traditional nursery rhyme. So, on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout, just tip me over and pour me out. All right, same thing. If that was a bounce, you could just bounce, and then you could just tilt over if we were doing in the pour me out part for baby. If they're too young to do the motions and you don't want to do the motions. So then on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout, just tip me over and pour me out. Yay! All right, our next song is a lap bounce, which is bouncing, bouncing, baby on my knee. And this one, on the count of 3, we'll be lifting baby. Okay, so it'll be bouncing, bouncing, baby on my knee. Bouncing, bouncing, 1, 2, and then 3, we lift baby up. And then the same thing, we're gonna do rocking, and then we're gonna do clapping. We only lift baby on the first one just to make it easy, and then we'll do rocking, and then we'll do clapping. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Bouncing, bouncing, baby on my knee. Bouncing, bouncing, 1, 2, 3. Rocking, rocking, baby on my knee. Rocking, rocking, 1, 2, 3. Clapping, clapping, baby on my knee. Clapping, clapping, 1, 2, 3. Yay! All right, let's do that a second time on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bouncing, bouncing, baby on my knee. Bouncing, bouncing, 1, 2, 3. Rocking, rocking, baby on my knee. Rocking, rocking, 1, 2, 3. Yay! Our next song is a body rhyme called Cheeky Cheeky Chin. All right, so this one goes eyes, nose, cheeky cheeky chin, eyes, nose, cheeky cheeky chin, eyes, nose, cheeky cheeky chin, cheeky cheeky chin, nose, eyes. So we do the reverse at the very end. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Eyes, nose, cheeky cheeky chin, eyes, nose, cheeky cheeky chin, eyes, nose, cheeky cheeky chin, cheeky cheeky chin, nose, eyes. Yay! So of course we're just gently demonstrating on baby where the body parts that we're talking about are. We're going to do that again on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Eyes, nose, cheeky cheeky chin, eyes, nose, cheeky cheeky chin, eyes, nose, cheeky cheeky chin, cheeky cheeky chin, nose, eyes. Yay! All right, our next song is Where Oh Where Are Baby's Fingers? This one's again similar. It's another body rhyme, so we're going to point out the body parts that we're talking about on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Where oh where are baby's fingers? Where oh where are baby's toes? Where oh where is baby's belly button? Round and round it goes. Where oh where are baby's eyes? Where oh where are baby's nose? Where oh where is baby's belly button? Round and round it goes. Yay! Okay, we're going to do that a second time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Where oh where are baby's fingers? Where oh where are baby's toes? Where oh where is baby's belly button? Round and round it goes. Where oh where are baby's eyes? Where oh where is baby's nose? Where oh where is baby's belly button? Round and round it goes. Yay! Okay, so that brings us to our book reading. So I'm going to move closer to the screen. Okay, so this again is Splash by Flora McDonnell. Okay. Hot, hot, hot. The elephants are hot. Tiger is hot. Rhinoceros is hot. Let's follow the baby down to the water. Lovely water. Water to drink. Water to squirt, squirt, squirt. Splash goes Mother Elephant. Splash goes Rhinoceros. Whoosh, splash goes Tiger. Splash, 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 splash. Now Tiger is cool and happy. Now Rhinoceros is cool and happy. Now Mother Elephant is cool and happy. What a happy, cool, clever little baby elephant. The end. So this one's nice and short and sweet with a lot of repetitive language, which we like for babies. So that again is Splash, Splash, Splash by Fiona McDonnell. Okay. That brings us to our Egg Shaker Song of the Month, which is Shake Your Shakers. So this one, we're going to go through 3 different verses, and on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shake your shakers in the air, shake it here, shake it there, shake shakers in the air. Shake your shakers. Shake them high and shake them low. Shake them yes, shake them no. Shake them high and shake them low. Shake your shakers. Shake them fast and shake them slow. Shake them high, shake them low. Shake them fast and shake them slow. Shake your shakers. Yay! All right, one more time on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Shake your shakers in the air. Shake them here, shake them there. Shake your shakers in the air. Shake your shakers. Shake them high and shake them low. Shake them yes, shake them no. Shake them high and shake them low. Shake your shakers. Shake them fast and shake them slow. Shake them yes, shake them no. Shake them fast and shake them slow. Shake your shakers. Yay! All right, we're going to put those over to the side. And we're going to do zoom, zoom on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Yay! All right, we're going to do that a second time. 1, 2, 3. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Yay! All right, that brings us to the end of this first story time of the month. We're going to do our goodbye song on the count of 3. And before I do that, I just want to let everyone know that because the last Monday of the month falls on a holiday, we're going to do our craft on the 24th, which is the Monday before that. All right, on the count of 3, we're going to do our goodbye song. 1, 2, 3. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly. Bye, and I will see you next week for another baby story time. All right, bye.